Let's play a little just between you and I'll be honest, gotta use your mind.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I did these braids. These are the Goddess braids and I used bulk hair for them. Now I personally love Goddess braids. For me, it's just this color. My hair is jet black, so the contrast of jet black and then like this blonde brown highlights combo was really different for me. I am like on the fence of I really like it and it's just something that I have to get used to. But nonetheless, I want to share with you guys how I use this bulk hair to do my Goddess braids in a really simple and easy way. So of course, to start your braids, the first step is sectioning off how you want your braids to look. I usually section off my entire head before I start, but I decided to section off the hair as I go. This is about the size of each section that I took for my braids. Once my hair is parted out, I do like to add the bulk hair at the very top of my braid, and I'm just gonna braid down maybe like a little bit, like an inch down before I leave out my first strand of hair. So to leave out the hair, you're just gonna do exactly what I'm doing here. You're braiding normally and you're just take that bulk hair section out and just kind of separate it and continue to braid normally. And I like to add my second strand of hair right underneath where I left the hair out. So like the bulk hair will take the place of the new bulk hair section will take the place of the hair that I am leaving out. And as you can see, you literally just section the hair off, the bulk hair off, so that you don't continue to braid it down into the rest of your braid. It's really, really easy and simple. Once you start, you kind of get the gist of it. But for my braids, I did use a braiding gel to keep everything smooth. But I think I added about 3 to 4 pieces of bulk hair and I left out 4 strands before I added the bottom section to the braid as well, the like little curl at the end of the braid. So each section I tried to keep very similar in size so that the braids could look pretty unison. But every time I did add the bulk hair in, I did braid the hair down a little bit just to keep the hair kind of secure in the braid. Now this is how the braid looks completed. I tried to kind of alternate from left to right on which side I left the strands hanging out of, but it didn't always work out like that and it was still okay. So next time I will definitely leave more hair out, but hopefully you can kind of get the gist of what I'm doing here. Braiding the hair normally, adding the bulk hair in. I'll braid that down just a little bit and then I'll leave the strand out, add more bulk hair in. So this process was really easy and simple and I did just work my way up my head. Now for the end piece of hair, like the curly piece that you have at the very end of your braid, you're going to do the exact same thing, add the bulk hair into the braid, but you're just going to continue to braid down normally until you run out of your hair and you just have bulk hair to braid. So once my hair ran out and I only had the bulk hair at the end, I would just leave it like that. I didn't use any rubber bands or tie anything off, and this is how one full pack of the bulk hair looks. This is how the hair looks. I've had this hair in for about a week now, and this is how my hair is looking. I haven't had any tangles, not too much shedding, but I think the shedding is coming from like the way that I installed my hair. Now that it's been about a week, I haven't had any shedding. Let me tell you where I got my bulk hair from, and just for this hair to be blonde, I think it's doing really, really well. So I would definitely recommend this hair if you're looking for a style like this. I got my hair from EayonHair. This is what it came in. I actually have 3 packs of the hair. It comes in bulk like this. This is the color here, and I believe I got 18 inches. And again, I got 3 packs and I just have half of a pack left. So for the style that I have in and to get this fullness, I used about 2.5 packs. So 3 packs will definitely suffice for you. In each braid, I left out about 4 strands of hair to do each braid. Honestly, I wish I would have left out like 6. I wanted the style to be really full, so the next time that I do it, I will do that. It's just when you do that, it takes a little bit longer, and I did these on myself, so I did kind of end up rushing. It took me 6 hours to do my braids, and I didn't just sit there in the total 6 hours and do them, so I think that's why it took me so long. Honestly, this is easier to me than using the braiding hair. For some reason, it was just a lot faster and just quicker. I didn't part my hair out before I started the actual braids. I actually parted as I went, and everything was just so smooth sailing the way that I did it. I don't know, but next time I'll definitely add more hair into it. But I do like this style. It's just something to get used to. I never had this color hair. Even if I were to do blonde hair, it would be a wig. So this is very different for me, but I do like it. But now that this style is done, I've worn it for a week. I've got a good wear out of it. You see how the hair looks, everything. I want to test it out. I am going to wand curl the pieces, some of the pieces that I have left out. Right now, the hair is kind of like wavy, and this is just for me putting my hair into a bun at night. So I've been putting my hair into a bun at night for about a week, and this is what it looks like. I think that is really good. Every time that I get hair, well, not every time, but this is really good for how the hair looks, because even though these are braids, you have hair left out, so you do have to still take care of it. And I have not really been taking care of this hair. I haven't been brushing it or anything like that, so it is pretty low maintenance. But now I just want to see how some different ways that I can style this hair. I am using my 1/2 inch wand curler right now, and I'm just curling the hair normally like you would your regular hair for wand curls, and then I will be combing them out in the end. This hair is definitely human hair. It didn't sizzle, melt, or anything like that on the iron, so definitely just human hair. It curled really well, looks super cute, and my curls lasted. Links to this hair is down below. Of course, they have more colors. If this is not a color that you would like, you can go browner. They do also just have black or like a natural color if you want to match your hair. So definitely try it out for the summertime though. Let me know what you guys think down below. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like this video if you like it, of course, and subscribe to my channel. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.